In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waitlist in Systeme.io. We're going to set this up in a simple, practical way so that when someone joins your waitlist, Systeme.io automatically tags that contact for you. That makes it much easier to organize leads and follow up later when your offer is ready. Start from your Systeme.io dashboard. From there, go into CRM, then open tags. Create a new tag and give it a clear name that tells you exactly what it's for, such as course waitlist. Then save it. This tag is important because it will help you identify everyone who signed up through this waitlist page. Once that's done, go to Sites, then Sales Funnels, and click Create. Name your funnel something that makes sense for your project, then choose the Build an Audience goal and save. This funnel type works well because it's designed for collecting leads, which is exactly what a waitlist needs. Next, open your new funnel. Browse through the available templates and choose a clean, simple layout that can work as a coming soon page or a VIP access page. You don't need anything complicated here. A clear page with one message and one form usually performs best for a waitlist. After selecting the template, click Edit Page. Change the headline so it builds anticipation and makes people want to join. For example, you can use something like Doors Opening Soon, join the VIP waitlist for early access, or a special discount. The goal is to make the page feel exciting and clear. Now check the form itself. Make sure the page includes a form input box set to email and a button. Then click on the button and look at the settings on the left side. Set the action when the button is clicked to send form. After that, set the redirect option to the next step. This way, once someone submits their email, they'll move to a thank you page confirming they're on the list. When that's configured, save your changes, click Save again if needed, and then exit the page editor. Back inside the funnel settings, go to Automation Rules and click Add Rule. Choose the trigger, funnel step form subscribed. This means the automation will run every time someone submits the waitlist form, then click Add Action and choose Add a Tag. From the drop-down, select the waitlist tag you created earlier. Finally, click Save Rule, and that's it. You now have a working waitlist in Systeme.io, complete with a landing page, form submission, and automatic tagging, so every sign-up is neatly organized and ready for future marketing.